What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Selimify here. Today we are going to be making another video about technology, and this time I will be talking about how can you possibly improve your laptop's performance by using the steps I'm going to be showing to you. Okay, let's start. For the first, this is very easy. You need to plug your laptop to a charger to use your laptop in a charger. Do not use your laptop on battery power if you want to go for full potential of performance on your laptop. That is the first stage for the steps I'm going to be talking about you. Okay. Now, the second one is basically you need to change your battery power plan settings to high performance. So this is also another easy method. Okay, all you need to do is, as you guys can see, there is a battery icon there. It says 57%. Okay, let's right click this and you will see power options and Windows Mobility Center. So mostly you can just go to power options and you will see maybe balance mode only. Some of you guys can only see maybe that. But if you select Windows Mobility Center and click, you will see that there is this battery section. And when you click, I already said selected high performance. When you click this, there will be three options: balance, power saver, high performance. Whenever you cannot see anything when you just click to the this, oh sorry, not this, right click, and like some people cannot see this high performance option in their laptop. It is like not automatically in there. So if you don't know how to add it like from another methods, one of the simplest methods I follow basically, you just go here, right click, Windows Mobility Center, and there will be automatically these three modes. When you select power saver, it will add the power saver mode to there too. So this is a very useful thing. You can also change your display brightness and mute your and volume settings and like primary landscape. You can rotate your screen. So this is a very useful like type of thing you can use for not only for battery. Okay, let's go to third one. Uh, okay, so no, second one, not third one. Uh, Go to Task Manager and yeah, Startup. Okay, so yeah, this method is like not necessary actually, but for those who are using like for me, there is nothing so much. I already have this Java I just disabled, so yeah, I don't want to get just like updates all the time. It is just annoying me and yeah, I don't have so many. Yeah, I disabled this one too. All you need to do just click and you will see this disable button. When you just click this and it will automatically disable. And if you want to enable it back, just click this back and click enable and it will be enabled. It's simple as that. So probably most of you guys, if you are guys using Steam or other platforms, if you just if it is like enabled in your system, it is probably going to take your performance not so much but slightly, yeah. If you want to disable them, just do it, and this is not going to like damage your laptop or anything. Don't like be nervous about it. You can just re-enable them back when you just go to Task Manager and go to Startup. You can just enable them back, so it is not a big something to worry about. Okay, so the third method is Microsoft Visual Settings. So yeah, this is the basically Windows like graphic options. So usually most of the laptops in Windows comes with the quality option, and this is, I believe, just reducing your animations and shadows in the documents to preserve more power to CPU. So if your laptop like very old, I think this method probably be better. So in order to do that, actually we need to go to yeah, just search advanced system settings. Yeah, view advanced system settings. When you click this, yeah, there will be this type of thing. Like you need to click advanced. Don't just select these other four, and you will see this performance. And yeah, when you click settings, you will see that there will be like quality, best appearance, which will be quality, and best performance, which is the for performance. And when you select the best performance and apply, I believe your screen will going to look like very like ugly, let's say, like not so much ugly, but a little bit ugly. Like look at this. I don't know if it will affect me so badly, but usually, yeah. You see in my like texts, there are no shadows. Like it is basically white and the color is, it's almost like a ghost. Like I can't even clearly see the writings. And when you see, yeah, you see that whenever I move this box to other side, you see that there's a gray tiles. So it is basically doing this so CPU will reserve more like power instead of giving to the best appearance of your laptop. So yeah, this is a very good option for those having problems with their CPU. And like don't be think like this is going to like affect so much performance, but yeah, it will give you a tiny bit of performance, let's say. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take it back to appearance because I don't have a problem with this CPU thing. So yeah, let's say that if you just have another issue, you see how it's like affected if change it. Yeah. So yeah, let's say okay and go back. So you guys know if you're like don't understand anything, just go back a little bit and pause the video and you will see everything. Yeah. Now for the fourth, you need to enable game mode in settings. So yeah, this is like I believe it didn't had whenever like you had the old Windows. It is like I believe 1903 update. Uh, Search game mode. Game mode. Yeah, just click this and yeah, you will see this yeah, it says it's optimizes your PC for play. I'm not pretty sure how it's going to affect my PC, but I just talk with people. They said it is also slightly affecting the performance. So yeah, make sure to keep that on if you guys have this in your game modes, or like if you have a game mode section in this settings part. So yeah, and let's go to another one, which is graphics to performance NVIDIA. So yeah, this is for the guys who have NVIDIA graphics settings. I'm going to basically show you how to just change to quality to performance. Usually, also NVIDIA graphics control panel uh, puts your device's settings to quality, but you don't want that if you want to go for full performance. Let's go to NVIDIA control panel and yeah, obviously you probably have this three option, not this all of them, because this is only for the devices who have max switch technology, which is another story. Okay, so like if you see this slider in quality, all you need to do is just click this, and if it was in quality, just drag it to the performance, click apply, and after you do that, click this and click apply, because this is basically automatically helps you to like put the settings into performance. Like this is for the second slider, which is this one. Like this is automatically helps you with some of the settings in here, so you don't have to just go for when you do this. Like this is helps you. Okay, let's go to second part, which is the this part. Okay, this will be only, I believe we need to change for most of the graphic settings, only four settings, I believe, or maybe five for some of them. Okay, let's click to, yeah, cancel. Yeah, okay, so I don't want to just add anything. Okay, first, ambient occlusion. So there will be performance and quality. Please choose performance. This is usually for the games which support ambient occlusion feature, but yeah, it is like good to stay in performance, so increased like performance. Okay. No, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this either. And let's look at, okay. This is also not necessary, but it is like slightly increasing the boost if it is like in OpenGL mode. So I suggest you to select this in your whatever if you have GTX 1660 Ti or RTX 30 or 2060 whatever, just select that. There will be okay. And now go, yeah, this is also another important thing for your graphics card. Just don't select normal. Select prefer maximum performance. There will be probably adaptive and other things. Just select prefer maximum performance, which is the like one that we need for the performance. And okay, for here, select texture filtering, not quality. We want high performance. And yeah, this will reduce the graphics of your graphics card. If you are using like a very weak, very low graphics card, it will automatically like select, like you will see probably kind of pixelated things, but it will increase performance, like not drastically, but yeah, slightly. Okay. Keep this on, and thread optimization. Yeah, keep this in auto. And yeah, I believe this was the fourth thing. Yeah, if you, in virtual reality pre-rendered frames, if it is like not in one, make sure if make sure this is in one. So sometimes maybe another people has like in three or four, or I don't know which one. Just put this in one, so it will help you boost performance too. And yeah, this was all with this section, and click apply when you like apply your settings. And yeah, go to configure surround. And yeah, this is not necessary, but for those it like supports physics X settings. You can select to NVIDIA GeForce. So when you do that, your CPU will have less like less load, like when we select GPU. But this is not like for if you have like integrated CPUs. I believe, yeah, I mean, obviously you cannot use the NVIDIA control panel if you have integrated graphics. So when you select this, uh, like when you have gaming stuff, or like the stuff that uses graphics, actually selects like physics options, sorry, it will select NVIDIA automatically, so your CPU will be relieved and will be in less load. Okay, let's click apply. It will say applying changes. Okay, this was the things that we're supposed to do. And yeah, let's go back. And yeah, okay, turn off background apps. So yeah, this is another one. Usually most people don't know about it because it is like in settings, and you need to find it in the settings. So let's go to settings here. And yeah, we need to go to privacy, and we need to find background apps here. When we found this, usually most people who don't know, it is going to be turned on. Make sure to turn off this, because it will be like these programs will be enabled and will be on. Like you don't need to like let them on. You can open by yourself, and that would be good for your CPU to like will be in less load, so you can use more power of your CPU. Okay, now let's go back. And yeah, enable hardware accelerated CPU scale. Okay, this is also for, I believe, new Windows update thing. Some old Windows 10 updates might not have this one. It is like you need to go to display. One second. Display settings. Yeah, we need to go to graphics settings, which is in the bottom right here. And yeah, there will be hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So yeah, this is improving performance, which is the thing we need to do it. But once you do that, your laptop need to restart in order to apply this effect. It will, yeah, boost some, yeah, like most of the people don't have this variable refresh rate. If they have, you can also make sure to on this, because it will reduce the screen tearing, which is very good for the games that probably don't need so much FPS. Yeah. And let's go to another one, which is yeah, clean. Yeah. Sometimes your Windows like puts junks in these three located folders, but we need to delete them, because it will automatically regenerate even though we delete them. But like if you have time to do this, it is good. Let's do it now. Type in here run, and once you do that, not cmd, we need to type temp and click enter, which is okay. And yeah, you see this so many files. Okay, just click Ctrl A and just delete. But yeah, if this thing happens, that means that your like something is open, so it won't allow you to delete it. So don't worry about this. Just do this for all current items and click skip. Okay, and now we have another one, which is again the same folder, but this time I don't know. You need to put this 100%. Yeah, this one, and click OK or enter. Yeah, you will see there are, oh my God, so many. Yeah, we need to get rid of them by Ctrl A again and delete. Yeah, again the same. Click skip. And we will have one more folder here. Let's do it again. Click run and click prefetch. Prefetch. Okay. And then click enter. Yeah, it says, yeah, because this is a like in local disk C folder. Yeah, click continue. And you see there are so many things here. Okay, we don't need this to stay because these are unnecessary. And yeah, let's delete this and yes, skip because it is open. We cannot delete that. Okay, now go back for the another one, another step. We need to clean local disk C. So this is very easy, very simple. All you need to do is like type this PC, or maybe you have in your desktop, just click it and click local disk and click properties. And yeah, you will see this disk cleanup button here. And once you clean that, yeah, there will be, okay, I have extra unnecessary files here and I don't want them, but to be make sure, we need to select clean up system files. And yeah, sometimes Windows can find updates that are not necessary, like this Windows upgrade log files. Well, it is not too big, but sometimes it can be big, like 20 gigabytes. I don't know. It's like maybe you forgot to check after update. Sometimes it can take so much storage. And like right now, it is not too big, but yeah, click OK. It will automatically delete. And yeah, let's wait. Okay, it might take a little bit time. And let's when that take time, I'm going to talk about you something too. You see this compress disk drive to save disk space. Don't click this. I know it is saying like compressing, like giving you more storage, but what this actually do is affecting your RAM, which is not good if you have like not so much RAM. You will have less space, more space, not less space, but more space, but your RAM consumption will be higher. So I won't recommend you to do that. Also, some files sometimes like you can probably not find some of the files. So yeah, I suggest you to not click this. Don't ever do it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to another one, which is okay. hide all Microsoft services. So yeah, in order to do that, sometimes Windows automatically do this, but sometimes it won't. Yeah, just click run again. This time msconfig. And when you do that, click OK or space, like, oh, sorry, enter. And yeah, there will be this, no, not this, services, and you will see this hide all Microsoft services. So what is this going to do is, uh, if your device have like services right now currently open with the Microsoft, so it will be, I believe, yeah, going to disable. And you don't need to actually click disable all, just click OK. And yeah, it will do it automatically. And yeah, for the next step, yeah, this time these two will be the scans, will help you to like find whatever your like device have that causes your CPU to ramp up. We don't want them that to happen, so we can just type cmd, but make sure to run as administrator, so it can make the scan for entire PC, sorry, laptop. Okay, in order to do that, type cfc and space dash scan now and click enter, and it will make a scan. Yeah, once it's 100%, we will find out that if there's a threat, if the scan founds it, it will tell you. Like if there's nothing, no issue, it will tell you that your like laptop is fine, nothing is going bad, and yeah. Let's wait. 89 and 100. Okay. So my laptop didn't have any issue with the scan. So yeah, we will do another scan now, which is like dism command, which is another scan. Oh my God. I opened this so much time, I guess. Let's close all of them. I don't know how this happened. Okay. Let's. So yeah, we will do a scan of this command. I will put in description if you want to, or you can just watch me how I do it. Just basically Control V, and yeah, it says like this is, yeah, this is CheckHealth command, and there will be a command which is ScanHealth. Let's change this to ScanHealth, so whenever we copy this, it is not do CheckHealth. Okay, now click enter. Okay, now it will make a, yeah, this will be shorter than the other one. So it is already checked that there is nothing, no problem. For those, you can check first, and if you found, if the device found nothing, or if you want to make sure, you can just make a scan health command like what I did. And yeah, let's wait. One or two. Okay. Then yeah, as the scan, like before scan checkout result the same, it says the same, and this is also says the same. So if it says something in here, then you can also make this scan to guarantee it there is something here or not. And yeah, for the scan stuff, I think this was the end of it, and let's go to another one, which is yeah, optimize your local disk. Okay, so this is also for those maybe your like local disk have uh, like no optimization, and it makes some unnecessary crashes. In order to fix that, you can just go defrag, yeah, and optimize drives. And yeah, since I have only one device, you probably have more. Just click the one that it has this four squares of Windows logo, and yeah, click optimize. And I think, yeah, this will be very fast. Let's wait. And yeah, now it's optimized, so there is nothing, any issues in here. We are okay to go. So yeah, let's check. Yeah, okay, we have actually one more command. So yeah, usually your laptop, if you don't use it like I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or something like that, it will be put itself the screen in, I believe, like it is not turning off, but it is putting the screen when you like scroll with the mouse, it will like open the screen. But I believe if you wait more than 10 minutes, it will put entire device to sleep or hibernate, between these two. So sleep is already like option, you can do it, but there is another option which is hibernate. You don't necessarily do this because there's a sleep already option. Okay, in order to disable hibernate off, this is going to be good for those if your device is automatically, instead of sleeping, doing hibernating, because if you enable your device after hibernating like constantly, I believe your system is also going to have issues because of like there are like programs there opened in your laptop, and it is probably going to be like disturbing your laptop. So yeah, let's open CMD again. We are going to do one more command. And yeah, you guys, if you want to, I can put in description also here. Just uh, Control C. Yeah, also opening again administrator mode, Control V, and yeah, you can also enable by just changing Hibernate on if you guys really want to use Hibernate feature so much. Also, what this does, I believe it is giving more storage in the SSD or like local disk, like whatever you are using when you disable this. Okay. Now let's go to the other ones. I believe the software things finished. Now we have, yeah, hardware related stuff. So guys, unfortunately, I can't show this because I don't have this stuff. I already have SSD and I already have dual channel RAM. So for the guys who have single channel, I don't know, 6 gigs of RAM or maybe 4 gigs of RAM, I recommend you, if your, of course, laptop supports it, buy dual channel RAM. So what this does is actually increasing your performance like maybe 10%, let's say, because your RAM is basically sharing the one RAM to other RAM. So what this does is there will be more performance when they share the running apps instead of one of them using. So yeah, if your laptop has this feature, because some laptops have like soldered RAM, or some has like one RAM slot and other is already soldered, or some laptops come with dual channel RAM option, but they give you only one. So yeah, it's up to you. But if you like want to do this, this is going to also increase your performance of the laptop. And yeah, this is like probably like for those who have older laptops. I suggest you, if you like want to increase your performance, if you guys have HDD like, I don't know, 1 terabyte, because of its cheap price HDD, I recommend you, at least if you like, if you are a guy who uses HDD for a storage thing, and you can buy 156 gigs of SSD. So like if you're like if you want something on budget, you can also go for 128, but I don't think going that low is going to be good. Like minimum, I suggest you to go to 256 gigs of RAM, sorry, not RAM, storage SSD, because like you need to make the SSD your main like local disk C, like your main Windows operating system inside. So what this does is your SSD will going to give more performance to your laptop's booting up time, and it will affect like not downloading. Like the stuff you are putting in your USB and you are putting in your computer and sending to the USB, whatever you are doing, it will increase the speed of it. So I definitely recommend that for the guys who has this option in their laptops. And yeah, like if you want to still use the HDD and you can use it for only storage, and you can use the SSD for the main of your laptop. So once I believe in order to do that, you need to have two slots in your laptop. I think that is like not most of the like low laptops have this feature. Old laptop have this feature. So if you have like, I don't know, 2090 or 2080 model or 2070 model laptops, I believe they will have this feature with separated M2 slots and with hard drive, uh, 2.5 drive base, which is good for both SSD and HDD upgrades. And yeah, the last one is going to be, if you guys have a monitor which is like better than your laptop display, this is going to be good for the visual stuff, because if you have like 60 hertz laptop and you just said, okay, I have like a cheap laptop, so I can buy a better monitor, like, I don't know, 75 hertz or 144 hertz. It's up to you, 120 hertz. There are like variants in the websites, you can find it. And yeah, you will get like, you need to also need display port, because HDMI is not giving the maximum potential of your graphics card. If you want to get the more potential of your graphics card, you need to use the display port cables. Also, your laptop is supposed to have a display port support or display port adapter in behind of your laptop. So if you guys don't have a display port adapter, I think you don't need to even buy a display port. Just go with the HDMI, and it will just slightly affect the performance because your laptop. But yeah, turn off your laptop and use the monitor as your like main screen, because when you turn off your laptop won't use any more power in itself. It will give everything. So basically, your laptop going to be a case for the monitor. And yeah, if you have like a vertical case type of thing, you can just buy them and put your laptop like that. So it will improve your cooling, since it is not in like touching the ground. It will be in air, like not air. It will be like on top or bottom, like it will not touch the ground. So you understand what I mean. It will be not horizontal, it will be vertical, so air will be flowing to like free space, not like stuck in the ground. Okay, so yeah, these are all the recommendations I can give you. If you guys have more questions, you can just comment in the comment section down below. Or if you guys like this video, please subscribe and like this video. As I said before, it will support me. It will help me to like develop my content. Also, yeah, about my content, if you guys have any recommendations, please also comment about that. Let's like for example, you have like ideas like, do this will be better for your channel, we want to see this stuff and see that stuff, whatever you want to say in the comment section, you can just type it. And hopefully, if it is like a very logical thing, I will probably think about that. And if it is like most of the guys really want that stuff, I will going to do that stuff, because uh, I want to be like honest to my subscribers and for my viewers who are like watching my content. I want to make them happy. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. And yeah, see you guys hopefully later. Bye.